Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Seher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. Thank you so much for clicking on this particular video. And in today's video, I am sharing with you guys the review of Pilgrim's Instant, and I wanted to do it for quite some time and finally have got the chance. This is take two. I shot before, but I didn't like the footage I shot because it was in two different settings and इसके outer boxes भी हैं जो कि मैंने dispose कर दिए थे, thinking I've already shot the content, but उस वाले clips मैं add कर दूंगी so that you can see the outer packaging as well. But doesn't matter कि outside क्या है, it matters as to how these perform, and I have tried and tested them out quite a lot to give you this video. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well, and turn on the bell notification, and at the end of the video let me know which shade you liked. I have both the shades mixed in right now on my face. Overall they have released 3 shades, and honestly speaking Pilgrim के मुझे हेयर के प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत पसंद हैं. स्किन केयर ओके एक दो चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है स्किन केयर में, बट मेकअप मुझे उतना पसंद नहीं है उनका, एंड आई एम बीइंग रियली ऑनेस्ट अबाउट दैट. बट आई डू लव दीज इंस्टा टिंट्स. दे आर सुपर गुड. Swatch करते हैं. This is how the second shade looks like. It's got this purple, pink and beautiful shade. If you use the right amount and blend it right, this looks so flattering on the skin. They set into a very beautiful matte finish, and matte भी नहीं बोल सकते, satin matte finish, and they look superb on the face. So as the title suggests, these are insta tints. That means आपको बहुत जल्दी blend करना होगा. Once they dry, they dry and they settle, and then they won't move. If you are in a hot humid area, these will be your best friends. No doubt a lot of people rave about these. I just recently started using them and I am in love with them. These are called as the lip, cheek and eye tint, so they are multi-purpose. You can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your lips, you can obviously use it on the cheeks. So you can use this as your base, and then you can add powdered eyeshadow or just use these, and these will not crack, budge or move. They are super long lasting. I can say they can go up to 3 to 4 hours without moving anywhere if you are in a very hot environment, and if you're in a normal cold environment, these will stay for more than 6 hours. I have tested and tried them out, and I can tell you that much, and these are spectacular. So the first shade I have is 02 Coral Story. It's a very beautiful pinky peach color. I absolutely love this shade. It looks so flattering on my skin. It gives me that beautiful juicy apple cheeks, and I am all about that. And this is the shade right here, and this is still drying as of now, but if I blend it out, can you see? once it settles, it settles. So this is still drying, right? So I tried to just kind of blend it, and now you can see I cannot put it on the back of my hand. Like I have to rub really hard to get slight pigment. So once they set, they set. The next shade that I got was Pink Filter. This is how Pink Filter is looking like. Although this looks very dangerous, but it's a very beautiful blush if you blend it out. But you have to use just the tiniest bit, because if you use a lot, then it's game over. This one you can be a little bit generous because it's lighter. Like obviously if you are of a deeper complexion, then you can go a little bit ham on this one, but for complexion like mine, this one you just need a dot. And I used a lot, and as you can see, this is looking more purpley side because this is what I use. And then I added a drop of this to kind of match this side, so I added a drop over here, but then this side looks more purpley. These Insta tints are priced at 541 rupees, but in discount you can get it at around 490-ish rupees, and they are available on Amazon, Flipkart as well, Pilgrim's website of course, and then it's also available on Nykaa. You also get a third shade called as the Brown Trend, and I was not into brown blushes, but I will try it if you guys want me to try it. The formula is extremely lightweight, it feels moussey. This particular blush has Spanish squalene and macadamia oil and olive oil in it, which are very good hydrating agents, and that's why I think I am getting a little bit of glow on my face. And again, this brand is cruelty free, vegan, and uses natural ingredients. So all in all, this is an amazing blush to have in your vanity. And again, this is not a sponsored video. I bought it with my own money and I'm reviewing it for you guys. And even if it was a sponsored video, I wouldn't do it any other way than be honest with you guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other questions on this particular blush, do let me know by leaving a comment down, and turn on your bell notification to stay notified for other videos. And with that, I will end this particular video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Mwah.